Hey, welcome to Price Mixing It Up. Guess what's cooking? Some stir-fried cabbage, y'all. This is tasty, it's easy, simple, and delicious. All right, join me in the kitchen. I'll see you soon. Alright, this is simple fried cabbage, so I'm not going to cook a whole bunch. I'm just cutting off a little piece of my head of cabbage. I'm going to slice this up. Maybe I'll get a little more off of there. Slice this up, put it in a skillet, and I've got this waiting here for the cabbage. Okay, some purple onion, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and garlic. About a half a tablespoon of garlic. That's a sliver of bell pepper. So what? Quarter cup of each of those. All right, let's get this going. Okay, that cabbage is sliced up, so I just pretty much sliced it in little cubes, slivers, and then cubed it. So what do you think? Nice big bowl of cabbage. Can't measure. So I had a nice sized cabbage, so that's probably a third of it. Okay, a third of a cabbage. All right. Okay, so we're going to turn this on. This is our trilogy. Usually it's just three things, right? The bell pepper, onion, and garlic. But we have two types of bell pepper, so it's still a trilogy. The green, red, purple onion I like. You can use white onion, whatever onion you want. And here's the cabbage. My only seasonings are going to be a little salt and a little pepper. And that's it, because here are your true seasonings. You want to use some herbs. Your veggies and your herbs is your true seasonings to any type of leafy vegetable. You don't need a whole bunch of stuff. Back in the day, we put sugar in everything. I don't do sugar anymore. If I'm boiling my cabbage, I use chicken broth. But I'm not even doing broth because I'm going to just fry it. Actually, pretty much stir fry it. That's what we're doing today, is stir frying. All right, let's get this started. Waiting on the skillet to heat up. All right, we got it started. What we're doing here. I need this tripod. Today I'm just holding the camera, y'all. Okay? We'll be okay. There we go. Looks like salsa. Beginning of a real good salsa. So let's get that kind of softened, because your cabbage only takes like 5 minutes. And you don't want to make your cabbage soggy and your veggies crunchy. So let's saute these so they're soft. Alright, let's give it a little bit while longer. Alright, saute those for about 5 minutes. Add the cabbage in. Mix it up. Start mixing it up. Mixing it up. Recipe. That's okay. So I only used about a tablespoon of olive oil. And as you can see, it's really saturating the cabbage. You don't need a whole bunch of oil, right? So You season to your flavor. Throw my little salt now. That's enough salt and pepper. Enough to see. I don't need a lot of black pepper because it's going to be too hot. Okay. That's it. Turn that down low. Because it'll get soggy real quick. I just pinch it to stir it. I don't need to do all that extra stuff. I like to relax when I'm cooking. I don't want to be stressed out when I'm cooking. Some people are not stressed out. That's why they don't like to cook. Alright? What you guys saying? She's real bad with the camera today. That's okay. Just pepper it. Simmer. Your cabbage is done. Took all of 10 minutes to make that. Maybe 10 minutes to prep. Cut and prep. 20 minutes total. Alright, that's stir-fried cabbage. Ready to go.